Lucidpress just launched REDI, which stands for Real Estate Data Import. With REDI, you can autofill an entire document with property listing information without leaving Lucidpress. No going back and forth between Excel files and copy and pasting. It's that fast. This video will show you how to prepare your documents for REDI. First, REDI uses Lucidpress's Smart Field feature. With Smart Fields, you can auto-populate your documents with personalized information. There are 4 types of Smart Fields. Profile Smart Fields change depending on the user. When you open the document, it automatically populates your information. Team Smart Fields refer to the entire company. This could be the company's name, headquarter address, etc. If you have a field you want to add, you can click the Add Custom Smart Field button at the bottom. The property listing Smart Fields are tied to your property listing source. REDI is integrated to these Smart Fields. You can add a Smart Field for the street address, agent name, property price, number of bedrooms, and more. To add a Smart Field, highlight your desired text, go to the top menu bar, click Insert, Smart Fields, and then select your Smart Field. Remember, REDI is tied only to the property listing Smart Fields. A placeholder is then added to your document. Don't worry about the text overflowing. These placeholders are larger than what will be inserted to the Smart Fields. You can also add a Smart Field from the left content pane. Click the text icon, go to the Smart Fields tab. From the drop-down menu, you can select the type of Smart Field. Simply drag and drop to add to your document. Added the wrong Smart Field? Select the Smart Field, then go back to Insert, Smart Field, then add the correct one. With REDI, you can pull information from a variety of fields. For example, I can update these text boxes about the price, number of bedrooms, and bathrooms with property listing Smart Fields. The second step is then to convert your document to a template. Return to the main documents page. Hover over your document, click More, and then select Convert to Template. Be sure to click Enforce Locking Restrictions. Share the template with those on your team. Now when you go to create a new document, click New. To populate the property listing, click on the Property Listings or the House icon tab on the left content pane. Search for the property listing, select it, then click Apply to Document. Using Smart Fields not only makes content creation faster, but allows you to seamlessly create flyers for every property without leaving Lucidpress.